Hi guys, look at state today, I'm a bit tired, but look what the difference a day makes. It's about 8ish, nice and bright, although all morning it's been raining. It basically rained all day yesterday, as you saw, from the night before in fact, and then all morning today. I'm just walking to the bus home, and this may be the last time you see my hair out for a while. I washed my hair after my run yesterday, and I didn't dry it before I twisted it, so it's a bit shrunken. So it looks horrible today. But I'm going to put some braids in. I'm not sure whether I'll just do individual twists or crochet braids. We shall see. But I'll make a start. I'm going to do this front bit here in red, and then to match my dye, and then I'll do the rest later, so I might have to plan it down. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm back again. So I managed to get all my jobs done yesterday. So I posted my letter, put ink in my printer, posted my letter, did my laundry, and I went for my 3K run. So I did it, not in the order I planned, but I did it. So that's great. So today's tasks are to update my blog, because I haven't updated my training blog for a couple of weeks now. So if you want to see how I'm doing with my marathon training, go to thisrunnerlovespurple.com. Also, I'm training for my first marathon, and that's mainly what the blog is about. And you'll see at the top, if you go, the link to sponsor me. So go ahead and do that too. Anyway, what else? I don't know. I like doing these vlogs because I can see what the neighbourhood's like. Walk backwards. Brunson Avenue. And then after I do that, I'll make sure I do my hair. Just do the top bit. Alright, bye again.
It's really late. 10 to 2. I didn't start doing it till 11:30, but and I was basically doing the back of my hair for the last half an hour, so 11:30, so it took me 2 hours to do the red section. So I used this make, so it's Love Fashion Paris Hot Braids in 33 for the front. I really like it actually, like this, the fringe going down. But then obviously I haven't done the back, so I just flat twisted the back. Because of what I did to join it at the back, it doesn't look good, so I'm going to have to figure out ways to hide that tomorrow. But we'll see. But I'm liking it so far. So it's going to take, I only have one pack of black, or 1B, left. So I'll cut that in half, and then that'll be all the back. So I can sort of do them in these sections. So I'll untwist, plait, untwist, plait. So if I could do two, just these two, and there's 1 or 2 tomorrow left. So I should have it done in 2 more days of 2 hours each, so 6 hours it should take. It's easier to break it up if you can get away with it. But I'm liking the front already. Looks good. Looks good. So every look stays like that. Alright, so I'm going to end the vlog now. Take care, bye.